Hey guys, Mum and Son Train Rail fans coming to you. It's Saturday evening. We're going to do an end of the night video and show you these models that this guy put together. Plus, it might be a little bit of a long video because Ray has started naming his Lego figures. So I will walk around. I think we have gotten 50 of them so far. And when we get more figures, we will continue the list because I think we have like another 60. So if you want your name on a figure, then let us know. But let's get going. Okay, we're going to do the names while we walk down so I don't have to come back. We have Parker. We have Patrick. We have Papa John. We have Pappy. Coming over here, we have Mark the Spider Guy. He's doing pizza. Who do we have over here? We have Jason Trainman, Scott Model. We got Snowy. We got Heath. We have Sprue. We have JC. We have Mystic. We have James Done Distinction. Nancy Jones. Drew Steele. Johnny Railer. He's in the helicopter. We got Trackside Mike. We have Lindsay from Lindsay Builds. Wigwag's a minion. Jason the Train Freak's a minion. Joe Rader's a minion. Boxcar Jerry's doing the banana. We got Connie with the kitty cats. We got Rick the Tree. Right there. See if I miss anybody. Yep. Thomas Grassy. Okay, we're going to go. Did I name everyone there? This is a limited edition candy store that Ray built today, which is really cool. He did a great job. Let me go on the other side of the Lego builds. Now, when we get the other bricks put down, we will take the names off of the vehicle. There's Derail Daryl, Dave Crooked River. We got Eric. We have Carl and Michelle. We have Grayson Sterling, who is on our TikTok. He's one of our followers. Ron Montage, right there. We've got Bob from Anyfins with the fishing pole. There's Artie. Ray Bobel. Anthony Dodge. Joyce Dodge. Dwight Curley. We got Robin Grace. Plumber. Skateboarding dude. Chris Train Aficionado. Jim Tedesco. Digger and Ron. Stormy Sky Dave. Stormy Sky Jenny. Stormy Sky Steve. David Knight, Carolina Foothills. I think that's everybody that we've gotten so far. Wow, pretty good. Okay, and another update. We did solid blue across the back of the staging area. And as I told you in other posts, Ray has decided that he is going to do this end of the dog bone Lego. So we picked up some fabric that's just like a planet stargazing, I guess you could call it. And Ray did his first 3 Lego kits. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So he's gotten 3 done so far. And I went ahead and did the fabric around the area here where we know we're not going to want Legos put down. So we just did the fabric right there. But yep, busy. So yes, it's a long video. We hope everybody enjoyed it. What you say, Ray? Bye, everybody.